Friends, today I am this moment, cannot be rushed. Bone marrow melting into gravy is where tradition speaks. No shortcuts, only fire, smoke, and patience. This is how real mutton is made, bringing you a very special traditional mutton recipe. This is not just about taste. This recipe is about flavor, tradition, and health together. No ginger, no garlic, slow-cooked smoky mutton, with the most precious part of all, bone marrow. Once you watch this recipe till the end, you will forget all your old ways of cooking mutton. Why this recipe is different. Many people believe mutton is heavy and difficult to digest, but this recipe proves the opposite. It is light, natural, and cooked in a way that keeps the meat juicy and the body comfortable. This is mutton in its purest and healthiest form. Step 1. Creating the smoky masala base. First, we roast onions and green chilies directly on the flame. Do not rush this step. The slight charring on the onions is what creates that deep smoky flavor in the gravy. Just fire. Slowly, the skin starts changing color. Golden, then brown, then almost black. And suddenly, the kitchen fills with aroma. Smoky, warm, comforting. This is how our grandmothers cooked. They didn't rush. They trusted fire. They believed fire removes rawness and brings balance. The sharpness of onions softens. The heat of chilies calms down. What remains is flavor, not spice. This smoky base was never written in recipes. It was passed quietly, from one kitchen to another. Today, we follow the same flame, the same patience, the same wisdom, because real cooking is not learned, it is remembered. Now add poppy seeds, dry coconut, and whole spices like cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom. Roasting spices slowly releases their natural oils. These oils enhance flavor and also help boost metabolism and immunity. This is where the soul of the recipe begins. Now the roasted onions and green chilies are peeled and cut into pieces. We add them to the mixie jar. Next, we add the roasted poppy seeds, dry coconut, and all the whole spices we just roasted. A little water goes in. As the mixie starts, all these smoky and aromatic elements come together. What was once fire, spice, and raw ingredients now becomes a smooth, rich, smoky paste. This paste is the backbone of our gravy. It carries smoke from the flame, sweetness from the onion, coolness from poppy seeds, and warmth from the spices. This is why the gravy tastes deep, without being heavy. Do not make the paste too thin. A thick paste gives body and richness to the gravy. This paste is the reason why we do not need ginger or garlic. The smokiness replaces sharpness. The spices replace heaviness. What you get is balance, in flavor, in aroma, and in digestion. Add a slight pause after. Just pure fire. This is old school cooking. Step 2. Roasting the mutton properly. Heat oil in a pressure cooker. And add royal cumin seeds and black pepper. As soon as the aroma rises, the oil is ready. Royal cumin and black pepper have opened their aroma. Now the mutton goes in. We mix gently, letting the meat touch the spice-infused oil. No hurry, just slow movement. This is where the mutton starts understanding the pan. The oil is hot now. The spices have awakened. This is the moment. Mutton goes into the pan. As it hits the heat, the sound changes. Sharp, confident. For the next 2 minutes, we fry the mutton properly. No rush, no stirring too fast. The meat tightens slightly, then relaxes. This seals the juices inside. Now comes turmeric. Just a little. Add 1 teaspoon salted. Not for heat, but for balance in color. Then, 2 spoons of red chili powder. Slowly added, carefully mixed. The raw smell disappears. The color deepens. The mutton starts absorbing character. This is not just frying. This is the beginning of flavor. From here, the mutton stops being raw meat and starts becoming a dish. Now add red chili powder and freshly chopped tomatoes. Mix everything well. Keep the flame medium and let it cook. For the next 2 minutes, stay with the pan. As the tomatoes soften, they release their natural sweetness. The raw smell slowly disappears. The color begins to change. Now roast the mutton patiently. This step is extremely important. First, the mutton releases water. Then slowly, it absorbs flavors. And finally, it releases oil again. This process seals the juices inside the meat and makes the mutton soft, tender, and juicy. Step 3. Spices with health benefits. Now add turmeric, salt, and red chili powder. Notice something special here. We have not used ginger or garlic. Many people experience acidity or heaviness from ginger and garlic paste. This recipe stays light on the stomach and very gentle on digestion. Poppy seeds play a big role here. They cool down the heat of mutton and help the body digest it easily. This is traditional wisdom, passed down for generations. Step 4. Gravy and slow cooking. Now add tomatoes and the smoky roasted masala paste. Mix everything nicely and add just 1 glass of water. Close the pressure cooker and let it cook slowly until the bones release their full essence into the gravy. This slow cooking transforms simple ingredients into deep, rich, nourishing food. Slowly, patiently, for 1 full minute, let the gravy move in the pan. This movement helps the flavors travel from masala to meat, from bone to gravy. Now close the lid, lower the flame, let it cook until the whistle arrives, until the aroma fills the kitchen and reaches every corner of the house. After the cooking is done, open the lid carefully. The gravy is richer, the color is deeper, the flavor has matured. This is no longer just cooking. This is transformation. The flame is off now. Slowly, the mutton curry is lifted from the pan and poured into the plate. The gravy flows thick and rich, coating every piece of meat. The color is deep. The oil shines gently on top. Step 5. The real treasure, bone marrow. As you open the cooker, look at that red oil floating on top and the steam rising with aroma. Now take out 1 large bone and place it on a plate. Gently tap it and watch the soft, buttery marrow fall straight into the gravy. This is the real treasure of the recipe. Bone marrow is rich in collagen and natural nutrients. It helps strengthen joints, supports knee health, improves skin glow, and nourishes the body from inside. No supplement can replace this natural richness. This is not just plating. This is the final reveal. Every step, every flame, every moment of patience has led to this plate. Now it is ready to be shared, ready to be tasted, ready to be remembered. Whether you eat this with rice or roti, every bite feels rich, warm, and satisfying. The smoky onions, the slow-cooked meat, and the creamy bone marrow create a flavor that stays with you. If you enjoyed this traditional and healthy recipe, to watch more videos like this, go to the channel and then to the playlist. You will find a seafood playlist and also a chicken playlist there. Please check the playlist. It contains everything from healthy food to non-vegetarian food. Subscribe to the channel and comment below which part of mutton you love the most. See you in the next recipe.